Hey Bullion fans, this one is for you. It's June the 17th, 2025, and silver has just broken a fresh 52-week high at about $37.18. Now that's up over 26% year to date and the biggest bull run in over 13 years. Now let's break down the why and where it could head next. So let's take a look at the technicals first, because silver's RSI is definitely suggesting that it is overbought at 76. But if we take a look at the 50, the 100, and the 200 moving averages, what we're actually finding is that they've all aligned for a sharply upward bullish signal. Now, the price action also shows that there's a breakout above the long time ceiling of 36 to about 36.50. And that is now acting as very fresh support. Now, is it solid? Not too sure. But if we take a look at pivot point studies, it marks support going downwards at about 35.65 and then 34.95 from there if needed. The resistance level, however, on the upside, which most of you are probably more interested in, is actually at 37.65. And the next one is about 38.30. From there, it's a quick run to $40. Now, the fundamentals here are just as compelling. If we take a look at silver's industrial demand, especially when it pertains to solar panels, EVs, and semiconductors, throw in now military, it is booming with an annual deficit continuing into its fifth consecutive year. Now, ETF inflows have also surged over the last month with 300 tons added just in the month of June. Now, meanwhile, the US dollar continues to drop and a lot of people are starting to look for safety. Gold is just simply out of price, which makes silver the optimal secondary choice. Now, if we take a look at some forecasts here, Citi has also suggested that silver could very likely reach $40 to $46 within the next 6 to 12 months. And Kitco's silver stock investor is also suggesting a $40 push this year and possibly $50 next year amid stagnation fears. Now, what really comes next here? Well, resistance levels in the near term are absolutely on the table for being tested, especially in the very short term, especially with escalating tensions overseas. Now, the downside, however, you can expect that this support will absolutely come into effect because silver is notorious for getting beaten down, especially after a big run. Now, in short, silver just broke out of a very stubborn ceiling, backed by strong technicals and a powerful convergence of industrial and investment demand. If momentum continues, well, you can easily see a test to $40, possibly 45 to 50 in an extreme bull scenario. Now, keep an eye on the RSI and the MACD for short-term pullbacks, but the rally looks far from over. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the most up-to-date details on precious metals and investing.